Hello and welcome to the tutorial number 9. In this tutorial we will talk about function. So there are two types of function. Number one is user defined function and the second one is predefined function, and also it is called internal or built-in function. So we will talk about user defined function in the next future tutorials, but now we will discuss about what predefined function. So before I start writing function, guys, if you have not accessed this playlist, I suggest you to access this playlist and watch this video step by step in order to learn PHP perfectly. So here the first function that we built-in function that we have here, that is count. So count will count all the elements inside an array. So I will write an array here. First of all, I will create a variable by the name of, for example, color equal to, then array, then what, string, single quotes, inside single quotes I will write here red. Next one I will write here blue, and the next one here, for example, green. Now I want to count all the elements inside this inside this array. So to count that, I'll just simply write here echo and count, then parenthesis open, and inside this parenthesis I'll write the variable name color. Control S. Let's see. I will write here localhost / Kabul. Enter. Then I will access this file here. Now you can see 3 is printed here. Why? Because we have stored 3 elements inside this array. 1, 2 and 3. So I will comment this one. The next one that we have here, that is string length. So I will write another variable by the name of name equal to, and I will open a single quotes. Inside this single quotes I will write a character or a string by the name of Hi Marouf. Then I want to count what the length of this value or this element. So a string length will count the word also, and this white space that we have added a space here will count, this string length will count the white space also, which we have added here. After hi, you can see we have added a space here. So let's see. I will write echo, then str length, then parentheses, then the name of the variable. Control S, save, and I will refresh this page. You can see 9. Why? Because let's count this 1, 2, and we will count this white space also. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total we have 9 string here. The next one is that we have here, that is str word count. So str word count will count all the words. For example, I will declare another variable. For example, I will write computer. and inside this I will write a string, and I will write here computer is a fast machine. So I want to count all the words inside this sentence or inside this variable. So I want to count all of the words in here. So I'll just write here echo, then I'll write here str underscore what word underscore count, then parenthesis and the name of the what variable computer. Let's see, refresh. We have 5 words inside this variable. So machine is one word, fast is another word, A is another word, S is another word, and computer is another word. So I hope you understand this one also. The next one that we have here, so next thing is string operator. So string operator will write all the words or convert all the words into capital letters. For example, I will write here another variable keyboard, and inside this keyboard I will write A, B, C, D, E, F. So I want to convert all of these into smaller words. So I will just write here I will change this into smaller words A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now I will write here str operator, then the name of the variable keyboard. Control S. Let's see now. You can see I have written there in the smaller word. I have written here all the small letters. So it is converted here into capital letters. Now same thing, if I write here, I'll copy this and paste it here. So now it is in capital letters. So I want to convert it into smaller letters. So I will just write here echo and str to lower, then parenthesis, inside parenthesis we write the name of the variable keyboard. Control S. Now you can see all the words converted from capital to smaller letters. The next function that we have, that is array merge. Array merge will merge the two array. Now we have one array here by the name of color, and I will create another array also by the name of fruit, equal to green, for example mango, the next is apple, and orange. So if I want to convert or merge these two array into one array, so I'll just write here, I'll create a variable by the name of merge, or any name we can give, merge. and equal to merge dim equal to array underscore what, merge, and the name of what, the name of all the two array. For example, this one and this one, maybe you may have a lots of array, but I have right now two arrays, so I will merge these two. I will write color and fruit. Control S. Let's see now. Why? Because we have to print it also. So I will print this, print underscore R. And then the name of what? Merge. Let's see now. Now you can see in one array we have merged another array. So in the 0 we have red, in the 1 we have blue, and in 2 we have green, in 3 we have mango, in 4 we have apple, in 5 we have orange. So I hope you understand this one also. So I'll comment this. The last one that we are going to study here, that is string replace. So string replace will, for example, I will write the string. So here I want to what, replace this A to cap. So I will just write here string replace. So I will write here str underscore replace, then the name of what. So it takes three arguments. The first one, so I want to change this A, so I will write this A in here, then the next one, I want to change this A to, for example, cap, so I have write it cap here, and the next one we will write the name of the variable. Keyboard. So I will write echo. Now let's see. So now A is changed to cap. So I hope you understand the predefined functions, and thank you so much.